Good morning and welcome to our gross bearing plan and to our 2023 CMD. First of all, thank you all for having flown all the way to Berlin to be here with us today. It is our pleasure to host you here. And before proceeding, let me refer you to the disclaimer that you find at the presentation that you should be able to download through the QR code that you should find at your tables. So now we will walk through a series of presentations that will walk us through our past, but mainly our future. We will start by a review of Gestamp, explaining who we are and how do we do things. Then our executive chairman will go through a strategic review of our future, and then we will have a series of presentations on technology and innovation, ESG, operational excellence, and lastly, financials. At the end, we will open a Q&A session. So now let's begin by understanding our fundamentals, explained by some of the people that make it possible. Thank you again for being here today.
Gestamp is a multinational specialized in the design, development, and manufacture of highly engineered metal components for the automotive industry. 115 production plants, 13 R&D centers, and a workforce of more than 42,000 employees worldwide in 24 countries. More than 25 years of history has made us one of the key players in the automotive industry. A safe, trustworthy, solid journey. Welcome to Gestamp. Through technology and innovation, Gestamp anticipates cutting-edge solutions for its clients' needs.
Over years, Gestamp has become a technology partner to its customers. Having R&D capabilities have allowed us to reinforce our client relationship, mainly by being closer to them, understanding their needs, and improving our strategic positioning with them. We can define ourselves as a technological organization focused on the development of high-complex engineered product solutions for all OEMs. One of our R&D pillars is co-development, a model in which we are working hand by hand with our customers well before a project is started. This gives us the opportunity to introduce our innovative products in the right timing. At the same time, we take care to secure protection of our technologies through patents. By doing this, we have established and maintained a highly competitive market position. Nowadays, our R&D strategy is focused on the development of a mass-market electric vehicle. We are developing a wide range of new EV extreme-size parts that are receiving good feedback from our clients, thus enhancing even more the relationship with them. R&D is a key lever to reach our client positioning and to push the development forward for new technologies that drive the transition to electric vehicles.
Proven long-standing strategy that has allowed us to gain the reliability and trustworthiness of our clients.
Gestamp is a customer-oriented company. This means that we have global visibility, experience, and client knowledge based on proximity and high integration through our local commercial teams. To do so, Gestamp commercial team is composed by corporate global key accounts responsible to take care of each OEM and strongly supported by regional teams. Together with them, our technology and innovation team works from a very early stage with the engineering departments of our main OEMs on the search of optimal product and process solution. But of course, on top of the commercial and R&D contribution, the strong reliability of both our plants and project teams is key to consolidate the trust of our OEMs. Launching the most complex projects all around the world in time and quality takes us to the next level, to the point of becoming their partners rather than only suppliers. When launching the majority of our projects, Gestamp closes agreements for a minimum of 6 years, which provide us long-term visibility and a consolidated position in our clients. We are currently in an inflection point within the sector where OEMs are evolving towards electrification with new requirements on the traditional parts. To maximize the autonomy of the vehicles and keep or even increase their safety, there is a trend toward global platforms with volumes over 1 million vehicles per year worldwide, with a clear goal to search synergies and minimize vehicle manufacturing costs. For Gestamp, global platform means executing a higher number of more complex projects that require involving industrial footprint in different countries with high capacity to coordinate all necessary activities worldwide, but also to have the required machinery and specific tooling on time and quality, and to assure the plant readiness. So, in few words, we need to involve long experienced team and relevant investments, which is why we aim at having a partnership relationship with our customers in the search of long-term contracts that secures both delivery and volume, as well as the exclusivity on the nominated business. Thanks to the combination of our innovation activities and our demonstrated industrial reliability, Gestamp is winning an increasing volume of new business. For this reason, we have created the Gestamp Strategic Project Office, so that we focus a high specialized team on the most relevant strategic opportunities, and we implement a quotation follow-up and validation mechanism aiming to maximize both profitability and competitiveness. We are a dynamic and customer-oriented company, knowing well our client and market needs, with a clear strategy of being the partner supplier to our customers.
Industrialization is a complex and critical phase to ensure the success of the production stage with the required standards and features that Gestamp needs.
Being able to develop highly complex production processes has been one of the biggest challenges for Gestamp. Doing it right is key to become a reliable partner. We are a just-in-time producer, therefore highly integrated with customers, so we need to have our products on time at the forecast cost with the agreed quality. Given our type of products and technologies, our processes are complex. In fact, complexity increases when we talk about safety, parts, or skin panels, where Gestamp is a leading company. Three main necessary resources to start any industrialization process that are industrial investment plan, supply chain planning, human resource planning. For any project, we have a business plan through which we cover all steps from project kickoff through the start until end of production. Every project requires special equipment for manufacturing, which includes processes, assembly systems, among others. We have different equipment sources in-house and outsourcing. With this combination, in-house, outsourcing global, and local basis, we can achieve the competitiveness required in each region. During quotation phase, we ensure that supply chain will fulfill quality, cost, and timing according to customer requirements. First, we look at the internal resources with available capacity, and any available equipment can be reused to minimize the new investments. Second, we ensure our suppliers have capacity to deliver on time. Finally, we proceed with the sourcing strategy. All this needs to happen by the time we get customer new project award. At Gestamp, we have many upskills and reskills programs to be assured that our people are at the vanguard of all technologies and processes. There are some markets like the US where this part of the process is really challenging for the company. Therefore, work-based learning programs are set up by Gestamp in partnership with local high schools to provide local students with a dual education. Standard projects take around 2 years to go from the kickoff to the start of production. The electrical vehicles is also changing the vehicle development as new players are shortening the project launch time, which is making this phase even more important. As we run different types of projects, products, and technologies, the industrialization phase varies from one to another. Using, for example, a new hot stamping press line, it requires a construction pit. Once it's ready, we continue with the hot stamping press, installation, and debug. Next step is the die tools development, which are customers' property and specific assets for each project. Once the equipment tooling and the team is ready, we will run quality loops to assure the parts in production will be according to the client requirements and Gestamp standards. During this phase, the plant team starts to take over. Last phase before start of production is the approval from the customer. So we need to be sure that everything is ready.
Best in-class production and industrial capabilities that allows Gestamp to be a reliable industrial partner.
Our production teams work hand in hand with the project teams to ensure smooth handover and successful project integration. Best practices in safety, quality, and productivity are established to safeguard each new launch we have while also ensuring we achieve the expected returns on the project. Our ability to deliver on time with the required levels of quality is crucial to the successful launch of the customer's projects, as our product portfolio is strategic to the vehicle structure and performance. Having a good track record on this is essential for our relationships with our customers. As the time allocated to launch projects are continuously getting shorter, it is important to have a solid foundation of systems to be able to react quickly, make changes as required, yet still hold the highest level of performance each and every time. Our teams are continually focused on improvement and the stability of our process to ensure that we get the highest return from every project. After start of production, we utilize a key set of KPIs to track the performance of the product and processes. Overall equipment effectiveness and related KPIs such as availability and efficiency are automatically collected using our Industry 4.0 platform and SAP systems. This real-time data is used by our teams to focus on the most important factors in order to continuously improve and be the most efficient in our operations. Quality testing at regular intervals is fundamental to ensure we have a stable process that meets our customers' technical requirements. Physical testing such as part joining strength, KTL, paint quality, and other process-related checks are done in our plants by certified teams who can feed back quickly to engineering and operations teams, avoiding any risk of defects escaping the process. The last few years have been difficult for us with the supply chain interruptions and other obstacles that are affecting us and our customers. This has made our objective of launching projects flawlessly even more relevant and essential to achieve. We have been able to overcome these challenges with the collective efforts of our teams in combination with our strong manufacturing systems. Gestamp is a key player in the automotive value chain, and our operational excellence has positioned us as leaders in our industry, transforming our role from a supplier to a partner with our clients.
A long-standing strategy to contribute to a safer and cleaner mobility. Because we believe in a sustainable present and future in which our parts continue to contribute to save lives. Gestamp has a commitment to society to build a more sustainable mobility for everyone. Gestamp, already prepared for the long run.